The only real tricky part on here was the web. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to pull in our download. Now our download is an SVG, and it looks like one of these items is not like all the others. So we are going to ungroup these and delete that black box. So what we're going to want to do is take the spiderweb. I want that spiderweb to be as large as I can make it in the corner, and I think that might be, so I'm using this as a reference line. I want that to be down, and then this line here, that's okay. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is hit Control Duplicate on that. Okay, so now that I've duplicated this L bracket, I have one of these. I'm going to want to do a subtract. Select, and then we do the subtract. And what that does, click OK to confirm. So now I have the L, Control Z to go back, and I have the web. But I don't want this web because that's going to be on my corner. So I'm going to ungroup that for right now, and I'm going to delete these additional little hangers. So now I'll have a nice crisp clean corner, and we can group this back together. Holding Command to unselect, and we will group that together. Then holding Shift, we select that. Now we're going to do our weld. So now that's all one piece. Group all that together, and we are good to go. So now we have our spider web. Now we have to add some additional element, and we have all these elements right here. Now these spiders have a very narrow profile. It looks like this didn't come through. We'll delete that. So we'll just pick the spider that we want. Let's start with this one, and we'll do a little outline. So offset, and we want to go outward, not inward. And we're going to go to corner because we want to keep those nice sharp corners. And let's see, if we go 0.1, what does that look like? That's a little thicker. Let's go to 0.2. Yeah, maybe back to 0.1. And we're going to want to delete the original. That looks decent. So let's take this guy and we will move him, and then we'll make him a little bit bigger. Now generally when I do these, I like to have 3 points of contact, but 2 points of contact will work just as well. So we have one leg here and the web on the web. So we will weld these two together and we are good to go. And let's see, now we have the witch. Let's mirror this witch so she's flying away from the web. And we just want to ground her feet. So let's see. So if we move this a little bit down, so we got 1, 2, 3 points of contact. Perfect.